Okay, so today we have a diesel truck with engine, Cummins engine 5.9. The problem we had this morning, it didn't want to start, and no power also either. I'm sorry. And this is a 1999 Ford F800. It could be happening with any kind of truck. Uh, I jump. We just started. It doesn't make anything at all. So you insert the key, no lights, no start, anything. We already test the batteries. The batteries are good. It has 12 volts, 12 and 47 volts each one. But see, it doesn't do anything, okay? Just like that. It doesn't do anything at all. No lights. When you open the door, nothing. It's like there's no getting power to the switch or anything. So today I'm gonna show you what was the problem with this truck, okay? That it won't start, it won't do anything, no lights, no anything. It's like if they don't have any power to from the batteries or anything else. So I'm gonna just open it and I'm gonna show you the problem, what was the problem and how do I fix it. Okay. It's hot today. We're in Dallas. It's 106 degrees today, and it's hot, very hot. But we got no choice, I guess. Okay. Let me open the hood. Open the hood. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's the problem, and then say in a minute. Okay, this is the engine, and if you can see the starter, that's a little. You see that little plate right here in this at the starter. The wire is broken. It's hanging down. This part right here. Okay, so that's the problem. It just got broke from right here. So it's broken. We got a broken wire, and that's the hot wire. So the positive coming from this wire. We should be getting like 24 volts here, or 12 volts, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna try and fix it. I'm gonna go to auto parts, to Napa Auto Parts. They have the little part right there, so I'm gonna just make a Mexican style, just kind of put two screws together and we're gonna fix it. Okay, so this is the problem right here. It's broken. I'm gonna show you a real closer in a minute. Okay, so I just got disconnect the I'm gonna disconnect the make sure you disconnect the terminals from the batteries. The batteries right here. Okay, just disconnect all of them, just to make sure you won't cause any electrical wire or something here. Okay, so I just disconnect the batteries. Okay, we're good to go. Now I'm gonna pull out the big wire from the starter. The one is broken, and just to get more access to it. Okay, but first I'm gonna take the little nut and the little broken wire out of the starter. Okay, just like this. It's at 13 millimeters. So if you have this problem with even with any car, because the starter it works the same. It works the same with any car, with any gas or diesel. Doesn't matter. Look at this. It's broken from right here. Excuse me. Okay. So it's broken. Wanna do something magic here? So wanna fix it. Okay. Because I don't think I don't wanna sell. I don't wanna buy the whole wire thing. Okay. So this is it right here, guys. This is the broken wire. Well, I had to hook up the little one, but this is supposed to be together with this one right here. Okay, so I have the other part that I'm gonna use to fix it. I'm gonna just put 2 screws between so it stays together. Okay, see, it's supposed to be go like that. Okay, guys, this is the way I did it, but I put it back on and it didn't work because this terminal is already messed up. So I bought this other part. I'm gonna show you in a minute. This right here, yeah. So replace it with one of these. You know, just bend it and screw it in, and you should be good to go. So I tried to use this one like this, but it didn't work because it broke again because it's already messed up. Okay. But that's the idea, okay? Make sure it's hard and very tight, and that's it. But that was the idea. Wrap them out with tape and everything, and you're good to go, okay? Okay, so this is set right here, guys. I just use tape, black tape, and you're good to go. Make sure it's nice and tight. And I'm gonna put it back on and see how it works, all right? And you will see that was the problem. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's right here already hooked up. I already connect the battery, and then that part right there, the starter terminal. So everything's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck and see how it works. Okay, now the light is on, as you can see. So now we got power. So everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck right up. Okay.